Hello, everybody. Welcome. Here I am. Let me just pull comments up on my, I almost said up on my Facebook. What I meant to say is up on my iPad. Okay, welcome you guys. Hey Daisy, I just sent you back an email. Daisy, I just replied to you. I popped in my inbox really quickly before I did this live and I saw your email and I emailed you back. Hey Julie. Okay, you guys, welcome. I have some iced tea here. It is super hot in my office. I'm on the tail end of being down here in my, oh wow, you got it right away. You saw it already. Awesome. I'm at the end of my time in my office today because it's getting too hot down here. And I actually I just said to somebody I didn't get anything done really today, but I did because I cleaned my office, pulled a bunch of stuff out, organized a bunch of stuff, got some stuff boxed up, all the things. And I actually filmed it, and you guys will actually see that in early August, which is really crazy. But I filmed it for an organizational Saturday. And so I've already filmed my organizational Saturdays for this month, which you will see starting next Saturday. So you'll see it in August, what I did. And in that video at the very end, you will kind of see a clip of what I'm about to show you because I need to finish that video up. But I pulled out a bunch of stuff and it just piles up. And I shared a few tips on clearing out some of the clutter and then also some tips on a few things that I do to make things decorative. A little bit decorative, just a few minor things, even when a space is kind of ugly. I have a bookshelf in my office that literally just holds stuff you would put in a closet, but there's no closet in this room. So it just holds shipping stuff and that kind of stuff. And I actually shared how I made it a little bit decorative. So today, what I'm going to do really quickly is I have a whole bunch of kits that either I had a couple extra left because they didn't all sell at the time, or with Blessed to Craft projects for my monthly make and takes, I always make up a couple extra kits in case somebody doesn't get a kit in the mail, in case it gets lost. I have one on hand to then be able to send back out because that has happened a couple times. And it's nice to not have to get everything out and create a kit. So when I'm in the process, I make a couple extra ones. And so I have some of those. And I thought it's just a really good time to get some of this out of here. So I'm going to go through these. I'll share with you how many of each item I have and the cost of each item. If you're interested in one of the kits that I have my email address here, and it's a kind of a first come, first serve. So if you're here in the live and you comment and you say, I want that kit, I'll put your name on it and then I'll send you an invoice for it. And then if you're watching the replay or you're watching on YouTube, you can email me. That's the best way. If you comment on YouTube, I may not see it. So if you're seeing this on YouTube or you're watching the replay on Facebook, if I'm no longer live, the best thing to do is email me. And then I'll be in my email all day and I can reply to you and say oh, it already sold, or yep, you got it. So let me share with you what I have here because I have some fun ones. The first one I have is this. I have 5 of these. Okay, so I have 5 of these. They have the designer paper and then they have the card kits to make these. So you'll make these cards. And there's a PDF and a video for these. So these are all going to be $15. There's envelopes, the card kits, and the designer paper. And I have 5 of these. So this is going to be the butterfly kits. Butterfly kits. I have 5 of them, and they're $15. And let me show you the cards again. I actually organized all of my cards today, and I found these, and I was like, oh, that's perfect. These are the ones for this kit. So there's all of the pieces in here to create these, and then you have the designer paper. So there's that, $15 for those. Next, I have 3 of these. These are the lemon. This was a lemon class that I did. This includes a stamp set. It includes designer paper, and then I don't have any of the kits that were included, but there is a video and a PDF. So this has a set of dimensionals, a stamp set, a clear block, and some embellishments. And then, like I said, the designer paper. And the stamp set is really cute. So this is the lemon kit. And these are each $10. And then it comes with a PDF and video. It just doesn't have the actual card kits, but it has the stamp set and the designer paper and a clear block. So these each are $10. Okay, next I have Blessed to Stamp kits. So these are Blessed to Craft kits. So these are the monthly kits. They have, like this one has the card kits, the PDF, and then there's a video. So these each are $10. This is a Christmas set. So I don't necessarily have the cards, but like I can show you, like that's one of the cards. And it has the PDF printed and included. So these are $10. Blessed to Craft kits. They're $10. So these are 2 Christmas, or I don't know if they're Christmas, but they're, maybe these were fall. No, these would have been like Christmas kits. So I have 2 of these. And then I'm going to show you guys some of the things I have in here. These are all Blessed to Craft. So this one is a Christmas one. This is the cards we made last July. So it's these 3 cards. You get the printed PDF, you get the card kit, and then you get the product. So you get the designer paper, the twine, and the gold embellishments. Okay. So for this one is $15. And this is Christmas in July. And you get all that product. It's $15. The PDF is included. And then there's a video for it. Okay, so next we have in this lemon one. This one is, so this one has a PDF, but I don't have it printed. And then you have gold gilded rhinestones, the designer paper, and the kit. This one is going to be $10, and I will email you the PDF and the video. So this one was the flower, I forget what that designer paper is. I think it's like the ornate paper or something like that. So it's the flower, I don't know, the flower, I don't know, with gold, I think. And what did I say? $10 for that one. And like I said, I'll email you the PDF and the video. Next in this one, this Blessed to Craft one, this is, let me show you the cards. Hey, Roberta. So there's this card and then these 2 cards. And this comes with the paper, the envelopes, glimmer paper, rhinestones, and dimensionals. Okay, so this is the coffee kit. So I have one of these, and the coffee kit is $15. Next, I have, another one of these. So I have two of those. One of those flower and gold kits. So I have two of those. Flower with the gold gilded stuff. And then this one I think is last month. Oh no, I have three of those. Okay, so three of the flower gold gilded kits. Okay, so I have all of those. Ornate Garden is what Roberta just told me. Okay, so I have those. So now I have these. So this is from my Berry Blessing class. This was a celebration set, and it has the stamp set that's brand new, the 2 rolls of ribbon, the pieces for all of the card kits. It has a whole pack of memory and more cards, because this is what you use to make the cards. And then this was a mega class, and so I think there were 12 cards that you could make. And so and it has the stamp set. So this is the Berry Blessing. Berry Blessing. And it's $20. Okay, and I have 2 of these. So I have 2 of the Berry Blessing boxes. And then the last thing I have, this is something that I had planned on doing, but I just never got around to it. In this box, I have 2 stamp sets. I have the Approaching Perfection. These are brand new sets. And then I have the Punch Party, which was the host stamp set giveaway for the last celebration, and it coordinates with a bunch of our punches. This is brand new. So it's 2 stamp sets. Then I have some of the, this is the, what was it called? Like the ombre paper from Celebration. And then this was Celebration paper, this floral paper. And then I have some of this foil paper in here. It's like 3 different colors of foil paper. So it's green and blues. This was from a couple catalogs ago. So I have that included in here. And then this is a little box. So my plan was to do a class out of this, and I just never got around to doing it. So in this box, I have 5 of these. And this I'm going to call the Punch Party box. I have 5 of these, and these are $25 each. There's 2 stamp sets in there, Punch Party box, and they're $25, and I have 5 of them. So all of them have the same product in them. I just, like I said, I never got around to getting a class together for it. And then, yeah, so I have that. And if you're interested in any of those things, you can comment or you can send me an email, and then shipping is separate. So for one of these boxes to ship, it's $8, and then the rest of it would be quite, like it wouldn't be as expensive because they're not in boxes. So I will give you the shipping when we do that. So the last thing that I have, that's funny, I'm going to list these on Facebook, is these Erin Condren boxes. I don't know, this one I ripped so that I would have a full thing here. I ripped the divider out, but I don't know, like I hate to just throw these away. They're from Erin Condren, so I'm gonna list those on Facebook. But you can see that I've just gone through a bunch of my stuff in here, and I'm trying to clean things out and get things like organized. And then the last thing is I thought I'd share with you a couple of cards I got in the mail this week. This is from a customer, and I loved this. I don't want to like show her message, but I loved this. I love this, like fun fold card, like so, with that paper, that, you're a peach paper. And then I got this one from another customer. And I really love this one. This is an old set, an old paper. I recognize it. It's not current, but I loved getting these cards. So thank you to Mary and Debbie who sent me these. I appreciate it. And then that's it, you guys, today. I just I'm in my office trying to get things organized. I have my pre-order that is coming. I actually got a shipping notification just a few minutes ago. So I have my pre-order and my celebration items that are coming, because if you're a demonstrator right now, you are getting to order from the fall winter catalog, which I just got in the mail. So I was so happy to get my physical copy. And then we are also, as demonstrators, earning celebration items, because this is a really exciting year. Next month, we will be doing a second round of celebrations, which Stampin' Up! Has never done. And so we will get to earn free product for every $50 you spend. I'm super excited about that. And I have a bunch of celebration items coming. I will share that next week when we do, maybe on Monday when we do our creative live. I will have those items and I will share them with you. If you want to join Stampin' Up! And purchase the starter kit so you have access to all of that, now's a fantastic time to do that, because you will have a full month to earn those items before they go live for customers. So that's exciting. So that's it, you guys. I'm going to go and I'm going to finish filming my video here of cleaning my office. And then I will catch you guys on Monday for our creative live and more projects for next week. I want to work on this weekend. That's my plan. Sometimes you just need to give your office a good cleanup and make a little empty space to then fill it, right? So I hope you guys are all having a great Friday, and I will chat with you guys later.